This is a brand new Olympus fork on the Avalanche Network. Traverse Dao, the Interoperable Reserve Currency of decentralized finance. They're offering an APY with more than 16 zeros. Simply put, it is a huge number and you get a nice 5 days ROI of 60%. In this video, I will cover what is Traverse Dao, how to make money on it, should you invest here? Hey, AV here. If you want a new video on brand new crypto projects every day, then please drop a like below and subscribe because that is what you get here for free. So we're now looking at Traverse Dao. They have more than $2.3 million in total value locked and the current index is at 8.8 VERSE. So basically, if you would have staked one VERSE token when this was launched, you would have 8.85 VERSE today. So if you want to stake first, you will need to buy the token VERSE. Through this button, you could buy the token on Lydia Finance. Lydia Finance is an automated market maker, yield farming, staking, and launchpad platform on Avalanche. The token is added automatically and you just have to click I understand and continue. Now you just need to connect your wallet and you can swap any token on the Avalanche network to VERSE. Now you're ready to stake, so if you want to do it, you get a 60% ROI in 5 days, which is really interesting. Just put in how many tokens you want to stake and click approve to get started. Let's go to the dashboard. The price of VERSE crashed in the last few days. So let's quickly check the chart on DEX Screener. It went from $8.7 to now $2.59. This is what we see with almost all of the new DAOs, right? But with the VERSE token, the price did not dump on the first day. It slowly went down, then all the way up, but now back into the low price. This video is not financial advice, but I believe that if you're bullish on these DAOs right now, it's a good time to enter because the price is low. But if you aren't, then don't. I personally am not bullish on these DAOs. I am more into the Tomb forks at the moment. If you aren't aware, this is my second video on Traverse. The last one was a really bad video. I did not check the DAO properly and I apologize for this. So we're here on Snow Trace where you can check the holders of the tokens. I said there were only 95 addresses with this token, which I found suspicious, but this is because people are staking. By checking the price for staked VERSE, as you can see, this DAO is legit. There are over 1,300 people holding VERSE, and the wallets of Traverse are multisig. This gets a big thumbs up. The market cap of VERSE is over $2.5 million, which in just a few weeks, it's impressive. Just keep in mind that it's very risky to invest in these DAOs and to always do your own research before investing. The TVL is at $2.3 million right now. This is a very good TVL, but it was higher at more than $5 million a few days ago. Now it is lower due to the price crashing and people panicking, which is understandable. Then you got this insane APY with more than 16 zeros. The rewards you can get on here are really interesting. And the treasury balance is at $157,000. The backing per VERSE is at $0.16. Now let's go to the minting section. Here you can mint on VERSE DAI LP, but at the moment the ROI of 6.9% is absolutely not interesting for me. Then here's the calculator where you can calculate your potential returns, but keep in mind that this is just for entertainment. If the price dumps or there's a rug, you could lose all of your money. Now, let's explore the docs. So what is Traverse? Traverse is the first of its kind interoperable reserve currency protocol currently available on the Avalanche network based on the VERSE token. Each VERSE token is backed by a basket of assets in the Traverse treasury, giving it an intrinsic value that it cannot fall below. Traverse also introduces economic and game-theoretic dynamics into the market through staking and minting. Who created Traverse? So here's another thing I missed last time. The team is KYC by Lydia Finance. Basically, if a team is not KYC, they could rug without any consequences. But if a team is KYC and they rug, we can take action. The company that made the KYC will reveal the identity of the developers if a rug happens. Traverse is Spoon of Wonderland on the Avalanche network. Our team is mostly anonymous, born from the DeFi community. We aim at becoming a decentralized, autonomous organization, and we are actively working towards that goal. Further down the line, we aim to reveal some of our key developers' identities and share our stories with you. Currently, most of the decisions are taken by the core team and administered by Lydia Finance through a multisig, but they expect to be able to turn this into a DAO-governed model as soon as possible. So why Traverse and not other own forks? Traverse is more than just a reserve currency protocol. It aims to enhance the protocol's use of treasury funds through an extra cross-chain optimization layer. This will be done through a unique approach of bridging liquid assets over its multiple chains in order to provide an even more discounted bond prices, higher staking rewards, and stabilizing prices when it's doomsday. Simultaneously, this will have little to no effect on outperforming chains. And just keep in mind that this DAO is not audited. That's their Twitter. If you like this DAO, you should follow them here and join their Discord to be part of the community. This video is not financial advice. Please do your own research before investing. In conclusion, this project looks good. They are KYC and multisig by Lydia Finance. They have a small but dedicated community. If you believe in the ALM forks in the long term, this could be a nice price entry, but if you don't believe in ALM forks, then I would recommend to not invest in it. But personally, I am not going to invest in it. The project is not audited, just keep this in mind, and personally, I don't believe this team will rug, but this you can judge by yourself. Even if they do, actions can be made, so I believe they are here for the long term. VERSE is now on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Please like, share, and subscribe. A new DeFi video every single day on this channel, and sometimes 2 videos a day. Your support would mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.